Alright guys, this is part number 2 of my skid steer project. So in the background you see a rock bed with red rock, and what else do you see? It's weeds! Yeah, lots of them. So I'm sick and tired of it, to maintain it, to keep it up and to keep it looking pretty. So what I've decided is I'm gonna rip all this stuff out, the rock. I'm gonna cut down this evergreen there, that big nasty one, and then I'm gonna scoop out the red rock, take off some more and fill it into the dump trailer with a skid steer, and then we're gonna convert it into a veggie garden. Yeah, you heard that right. We are going to have a veggie garden here at this place, and so we're gonna dispose all this stuff here, and then we're gonna haul in some garden mix soil and all that good stuff, so the veggies have good soil to grow in. So this is it. First part is I'm gonna take care of this nasty evergreen. I'm gonna cut it down with a chainsaw, and then I'm gonna bring in the skid steer and scoop out the red rock down there. I ran into a little issue here, I think. I'm not quite sure yet. So digging out the garden here with the JCB skid steer, I think I got a little bit too deep and I ran into a pipe that comes out of the house for the sewage pump, for the septic pump. So here you can see the pipe. I think it runs right from the edge of the house all across this garden area and down into the field. I think that's what the pipe is all about. Hopefully I can fix it. If not, well, we have an issue. And over here, I don't know if I ripped this pipe as well. This one here. I will have to make some further investigation, I would say. So after all, I would say this project was a good learning curve, A, with the skid steer, and B, from a time perspective. I thought this was an easy peasy long weekend project, and as it turned out, well, I'm about halfway in and not even close being done. So we've got some roots here from that little tree over here. Probably, well, they are like badly damaged, but I would say, like, instead of just cutting them, maybe we just leave them there, or maybe we cut them, depending if you do the gardening or not, because roots way into the garden area, let's say we need to till, makes gardening not so much fun, and it should be fun. So anyway, tried to keep the damage on the turf to a minimum. That's why we had the trailer parked to dump all that dirt in and the rocks. So you can see here we have a little bit of damage. I guess we have to come up with a project to fix that too. So one project leads into another project. That's all about landscaping. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a little bit of fun. I certainly had. So this is it. Let's see when we do part 2, because back to regular work schedule tomorrow, which does not leave too much time for this kind of projects, and I don't have a skid steer or a dump trailer on site, which makes it so much easier. So I don't know if this is my next garden or if this is a nice landscaping project. Anyways, now it looks a little bit bigger than actually with the rocks on. Anyways, so thanks for watching part 1, and stay tuned for part 2, deciding what we're gonna do.